The first step to better hotel Wi-Fi is understanding the requirements. Engage with stakeholders to discuss network expectations. Consider technologies like Voice over Internet Protocol television, and security systems that rely on the network. Next, gather documentation such as blueprints or floor plans. These help identify areas needing wireless coverage. Different spaces have unique demands. For instance, conference rooms differ from gyms. With documentation and requirements in hand, formulate a site survey plan. Predictive modeling highlights areas needing attention. Communicate with hotel staff to access necessary spaces efficiently, ensuring a productive survey. On-site, verify documentation accuracy. Check blueprint alignment and existing Wi-Fi infrastructure. Consider ceiling heights for antenna placement. In guest rooms, wall plate-style access points can be beneficial but may require additional data cables. Compile your data to complete the design. A thorough site survey minimizes unexpected changes during deployment. With a robust plan, handle any issues confidently, ensuring a network that satisfies both staff and guests.